Welcome to another troubleshooting video, where we tackle a common problem that users of the Cinnamon desktop environment might encounter. Today, we're discussing how to view logs for Cinnamon using the syslog system and the journalctl command. Logging is essential for diagnosing issues and tracking system events, so understanding how to access and interpret these logs is crucial for maintaining a healthy system. Now, let's dive into the solution for our logging problem. One way to view Cinnamon logs is by using the journalctl command with the U flag for specifying the unit, Cinnamon, and the since flag to filter logs by a specific time frame, yesterday. By piping the output to grep and searching for Window Manager, you can focus on relevant entries related to the Cinnamon Window Manager. This command can provide insights into any Window Manager related issues or events that occurred within the specified time frame. Continuing with our solution, the X server also logs events that can be valuable for troubleshooting. By running another journalctl command with the U flag for systemd logind and xorg units, along with the since flag set to yesterday, you can filter X server logs. Using grep to search for window, you can narrow down the entries to those related to the windowing system. Keep in mind that the keywords may vary based on your system configuration, so adjust them accordingly to target the relevant information. In summary, logging plays a vital role in maintaining system health and diagnosing issues. By utilizing the journalctl command with specific unit flags and search keywords like Window Manager for Cinnamon and Window for xorg, you can effectively monitor and analyze system logs. Understanding how to access and interpret these logs is key to troubleshooting and resolving any issues that may arise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts or any funny tech mishaps you've encountered. Happy troubleshooting!